Alright, in this video I'm going to fix this piece right here, this one, and one internal piece is broken too. I'm gonna open the bumper and then let's see what is broken inside and we can fix that. Alright, now that the front bumper is off, I have to replace this part. This is broken. This is just the lower radiator duct. I have the new one here. I just have to figure out a way to remove this one and then replace the duct. Alright, so the air duct is now in place, everything locked out. It fits perfectly. Now let's go through this one. So first I have to replace this grille, this fog light grills, and 2 kidney grills. After quite a lot of prying and pulling, finally the broken pieces are out. Now I can finally put the new one.
Two hours later.
And now here are the trims installed. Finally, I did struggle a bit with the left side fog grille, but in the end everything worked out. I also found these doors on both sides. It seems like a auxiliary vent or something. There's one in the other side. Let me know what it is in the comments. And there we have it. The car is a bit dirty. Other than that, all the gaps, all the lines are looking clear.